What is up, bass fishing, walleye fishing, fishing in general, fishing freaks? Luke Reeser here from Too Fat to Hunt Outdoors. Welcome back to another episode. We are out here on the Mississippi River. We're on the new boat. I'm going to show you that here in a little bit. But Leadmine Lunkers is parking the truck. We're going to pick him up. We're going to go out and jig for some walleyes, and then the sun comes up, we might do some bass fishing. I'm going to let this 200 warm up, pick him up, and then we'll show you a little bit of the boat here later. Stay tuned. Donkey hunting starts right now. If you catch one. There's a dead small fish, look like a perch. Oh, skeet skeet, mother. Oh, skeet skeet, goddamn. All right, that's a little thick there. This is a little thick. I seen a couple chunks come up there. Look at this. Look at this. Take one for the team. Now I can't tell if it's the seagulls or him yelling. There's a dead bluegill. Straight ahead of the boat. It's 44 degrees back here. Yeah, he hasn't lost all his color yet.
Been on ice.
No way. Hooked up, baby.
The fish just popped right there, too.
It's a bass, too.
Good one.
Woo! You freaking betcha! That's a pretty decent one for my first open water bass of the year.
No freaking way. Oh, you set the hook and actually one popped.
Really?
Yeah,
I heard you saying that.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Thank you, bud. Thanks for playing. Broke the streak, Brandon.
What's that?
Broke the streak. I'm not going 5 trips without a fish. So what, he just caught that one back there on? He's been throwing it all day. He threw it on the channel.
Dude, it was awesome.
How many did you catch? 2?
One northern, one back.
In here? I just caught a decent one.
I saw it. Mine was about 2.5 pounds.
It's about what mine was. I don't know if it's quite 2.5, but 2-pounder probably. I don't know.
Caught mine with a 6 on a rattle trap.
Nice. I already lost a rattle trap. Oh, Brandon, that was a real one. Broke me off. Oh, it was a real fish. Where you want? Right here? It's good. That was a real flipping bite. It was like right there too. I should have retied him. Talk about subtle too.
Yeah.
Oh my God, he just blipped it, and then I gave a little bit of weight, and I could just feel a little dunk dunk. It's almost like ice fishing. Right there. Oh no! He swam at the boat with it. I did too. Why? I thought I cracked him good. He was swimming with it. Maybe we should back off. That's both of my bites have come right there. I don't know. I think we're okay. They're still biting it. Or they could be following it. That's a wrap, folks. So we are obviously off the water now and back at home. Not a great day out there in the water, but what do you expect for, you know, early March on the Mississippi River in southwestern Wisconsin? I guess if you really find them, you can really get on them, but it's usually pretty brutal. But I don't really expect a whole lot this early year. I like to get out. You know, we had a couple 60-degree days here, and you had to get out and do something. But yeah, anyways, sorry about the video being really not that exciting. We only caught one fish. We lost a lot. There was even a lot that I didn't even put in the video here that we lost them at the boat, or just missed the bite. It's crazy. I don't know what's going on, but yeah, anyways, aside from that, we got a new boat. So I'm just gonna show it to you briefly. We're probably gonna do a good walk around video of it, but it's gonna start raining here any minute, so I'm gonna get the cover on it and get her put away. But what we got here is a Skeeter 200 TZX that I picked up from my buddy Dylan. This video's actually been in one of my videos once for a brief second at the beginning of one of me and Owen's Dubuque Bass Club Tuesday night tournament videos. Dylan dumped in right in front of us and we were talking to him. But yeah, anyways, I really like this thing so far. Got a 200 horse Yamaha VMAX on it. This is the 0X66. Got me some power poles. I've waited my whole life to have these suckers. And to be honest with you, yesterday I about took them off. We were back in the backwaters and I had them down, and I forgot that I had power poles, and I took off with them down. And I got all the way out in the channel and I was doing about 55, and I'm like, God dang, there's a lot of resistance. And I look behind me and they're down, and about had a heart attack. I thought, oh sure, waited my whole life to get these things, and now I just ripped them off. But they're fine. Up front here we got the Ultrex trolling motor, so we got spot lock as well. Got a Helix 9 mega down imaging up here on the front with the transducer built inside. Over there we got the 9-inch Lowrance total scan. It's got side imaging and everything. It's pretty nice. There is so much freaking room in this boat for storage and everything. It's awesome. I'm already in love with it. Yeah, I'm really excited. I never really thought I'd like glass boats. I really love aluminum. Obviously, like you guys know, I really love aluminum boats, and I love the maneuverability of them. The other problem is the stupid ass driveway here at my house. I can't get this thing up it right now. So we're working on some stuff. We got some stuff in the works. We might end up building a lift kit for the trailer to get the ass end up, to get it up the driveway, and then use a drop away ball maybe. And I don't know, a couple options there. We're trying some things. But yeah, stay tuned, folks. I'm really sorry that it's been like 2 weeks since we put out a new video, but it's been really freaking brutal around here, and Dawson and I have been really busy with our personal lives, personal work stuff and family stuff, and it's been crazy couple weeks. But we're getting back out there, and we're gonna get plugging away and get back to the Monday, Wednesday, Friday uploads as soon as we can. We got perch fishing coming up. We're getting up to Genoa here in the next couple days. I'm gonna go catch some big jumbo, so stay tuned for that. If you have not yet subscribed to Too Fat to Hunt Outdoors, go ahead and do that right now. Hit the bell to get notified every time we put out a video. Clobber that thumbs up. Luke Reeser signing off. Always remember, you're never too fat to fish.